Yeah.
Hello guys, how are you doing in the kitchen?
Yeah, this is the one that
It's all delicious.
is there anything you like to add? Of course, there is tea, vanilla flour, and sugar. We are not with sugar and water. Sir, I will like it for you.
What are you making a promise for?
No, I'm sorry. I can make it for you guys.
No need to ask, of course I will.
Tama na ka. Doon na istiyo.